Hello guys, welcome to another video with your girl Antoinette Marty. On today we are doing pap. I want to take you along from start to finish how I make my homemade pap. I don't like buying pap at the roadside. I like to make my own pap at home. That's corn pap. Here I started the process already, then I thought it wise to take you guys along. This is the one I'm washing already. This is the chaff. This is the sifter I'm using. I'm just managing the containers, guys, because I don't have a lot of containers, so I'll have to wash it 2 times, yes, to really make sure that the pap will be smooth and will not have these big grains of maize inside your pap. So this is the one I've washed. I'm getting it from here, using the sifter to wash and put the remains in here. Guys, this pap was being soaked for 3 days. Yes, not more than 3 days. Some people will soak their pap for 1 week, too much fermentation. No, just soak my maize, my dry maize, for 3 days in water. Then I rinse it so well, take it to the grinding machine, and I make sure that the person who is to grind meat, the machine is clean. They have not grind spicy or any other thing that will give a bad smell. So let me take you along. Let's continue with the process. I mix it because it has settled, so here I'm putting it in the sieve. Then I'll be turning it in my hands like this. This is the first washing, guys. After, I'll still have to put water in here. After sieving the pap for the second time, I'll have to put water in this one and I rinse again. Time up the fuko. So guys, you see, this is the chaff. Keep the water down there. This is the chaff from the first round of washing. So you see, I'll just put a little water there because we still have pap inside the chaff. I'll put a little water and rinse this one again. Yes, from the color you can see that I don't want to waste anything. I have to drain this water in here, then I sieve this one again for the second time. See my sifter, the holes are so tiny, so if I wash my pap twice, then the pap is perfect to go. Yeah, so I'll just have to sieve this one for the second time, then I pour it in the big bucket, then I do the final washing. Oi, who is going to help me with tripod? I forgot my tripod somewhere. I don't know where the tripod is. So I'm really having difficulties holding my phone and filming at the same time. It's not easy. Who is going to bless me with a tripod? My sweetheart Amas. I'm holding my phone with one hand and I'm using the other one too. Yeah. Final washing for this set. You see, from the color of this water, it shows that we have pap inside. When this water will be settled, we'll have some small quantity of pap inside. That's why I needed to rinse the chaff. Yeah, I needed to rinse the we call it chaff. I don't know any other name I can call. I don't know. This is it. See, this one I have no use. We have to throw this away. Then I'll just have to pour this in here. You see, I'll pour this in here and then I rinse everything and do the final sieving of the pap. So guys, there's noise around. I don't know if you are getting me, and it's raining. It's raining. So we are set for the final sieving, rinsing, washing of the pap. So I just pour them in this little container because I have to do the final sieving in here. You can see I have cleaned it so well, cleaned the sieve, and the small container I'll be using to carry the pap in. Guys, you can see this is what I was talking about. Reason why I have to wash this pap twice, and I'm doing it twice because I have a good sieve. I didn't mean my sieve have big holes. I could have do it even 3 or 4 times, so my pap should be smooth and perfect, tasteful. See, these are wastes, so that's why I have to rinse the pap again for the second time, like I'm doing. So guys, I'm done washing the pap, and as you see it full here, it's not all pap. Half of it is water, so I'll allow it to settle. The pap will settle down and the water will be up. Then see you when we are draining the water. Good morning guys, today is Sunday morning. So this is the pap. Like I told you yesterday, the quantity we saw was not only pap. We have the pap needs to settle and water comes up. So let's see how far. Let's drain the water and see the pap. Okay, let's see the quantity of water that is going to come out from this pap. So once I removed 4 of these containers of water, there was much water, so this is our delicious pap. This is our pap. I'll just need to put fresh water here, and in the evening I make sure I change the water in the morning and in the evening. That will build a routine while we prepare the pap. Guys, you can easily eat pap. You can eat pap with puff puff, with bread. Yeah, it's an easy to go breakfast, especially in a big family. Is now that it's raining season and there are lots of kids. You can do pap with puff puff for your kids, for your family, while you prepare the main meal of the day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you then on another video. Bye bye.